Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I decided to do something really simple. I wanted to show you guys how to stack Oreo cookies in a clear cookie jar. Now you can get the gallon size one, you can get the quarter size one. Honestly, any size you're comfortable with. A gallon, personally for me, wouldn't fit here because that would be like way too big. That would literally go from here to here. But I got this at Home Goods, but it's also at my Amazon storefront, so I will include that link in the description below. Make sure you guys check that out. I do have different sizes, different types of tops, whether they're like metal framed or just all glass, different shapes, different heights. They come in sets, so make sure that you guys check that out after this video. But I wanted to just show you how easy it is to just add a little bit more, you know, something more decorative in your house, and it looks really cute when you have guests over. As you can see, this is almost gone, so it's time to refill it again. Now I did these regular, but I decided to buy the cake flavored, and you can alternate them. You can get the mint chocolate chip, you can get the double stuffed, you can get birthday cake, you can like put, you know, one tier, one color. You know, for Easter they have different colored stuffing in the middle, but it's totally up to you. This is what I got, and I'm about to show you how to do this. So this is what it's looking like when you look at it from an eagle's eye view, and you're literally just going to place each cookie in between the two beneath it. So that's literally all you're going to do until you reach the top. See? And we're gonna keep going. It's always easier to get the ones in the center. What is your favorite type of Oreo cookie? Comment below. When I could eat them, because I'm on keto now, I love the thin ones. Those are my favorite. But there's so many new flavors now. Which one's your favorite? I'm curious to see if there's any other ones that I have yet to discover on my many trips to Walmart. But back to this, it's coming along pretty well. And for mine, like a bag is all I'll need. If you get the gallon, you might need 2 or 3. And you can get different types of cookies. They don't have to be like just the light or the dark color Oreos. They can be ginger snaps. They can be any like flat cookie that is obviously stackable like this. I've seen people do many different kinds. Almost done. I know there's some hiding. So, 1, 2. So you guys get to see the finished product. Look how pretty. It's really simple and it adds a really nice touch to your home. I like it personally. And you can see the sprinkles inside the stuffing. Daddy, what is it? What is it? He says hi, you guys. Well, that pretty much wraps up this video. Oh my goodness, you're so rude. You're so rude. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to it, you guys. It's dinner time for these pups. But thank you so much for watching. Again, let me know if you like this video. Make sure you smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. We do have a lot of organizing videos ahead. Oh my goodness, Daddy. But thanks so much for watching, you guys, and stay tuned for another vlog.